Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video on Only Mods. In this video, we've got something a bit different. We've got a wagon, a Golf over here that we'll be doing some mods on. It's actually my brother's car and he's got a bunch of mods lined up. So let's get to it. All right guys, so the first mod on the series of this Volkswagen Golf wagon is some blackout badges. So we'll black out the front badges, then we'll throw in some of those rain arches that I've got on the Polo, and also a front wind visor and some eyelids. So let's get onto these little blackout badges. You can buy a kit and all this stuff. I'll put a link in the description that you guys can buy them from. So let's get to it. First thing we need to do is remove this badge. So obviously it's not the same as the Polo. I can't just put my fingers in there and turn it and pull it out. This is actually a separate piece, exactly the same as the rear badge on the VW Polo. So what we're gonna need to do is put a tool down here, a prying tool, and unclip this front badge, and then we'll put on the blackout one. So all you'll need is a little flathead screwdriver, a little bit of patience, and you should be good to go. All right guys, now that the old badge is removed, just go ahead and push in all those little clips. Take your new badge, line it up, clip it in. Careful not to scratch the car. Oh, it's actually a cover. It's not just a sheet. Boom. You got one broken clip here. Make sure you pop that out. Nice. That's how we do it, nice and easy. All right guys, now the front and rear badges are all done and blacked out. They look really nice. Now we're gonna move on to installing some eyelids. Let's get to it. All right guys, so that is how you do the eyelids. Very simple install, straightforward. Just pull off the sticky tape and stick it down. But just be careful to measure it out properly and remember to put extra tape on the corners so that these edges don't pop up. Okay, so we're done with that. Now we're moving on to the front bonnet protector. Let's get to it. All right guys, so with this front bonnet protector, comes with some hardware. You've got a couple of screws, washers, and these little clasps that click into your bonnet that we'll be using to attach these corners over the front of the bonnet. So yeah, you've got 2 holes here, 2 holes there, and 2 holes over there. Let's install it. Shouldn't be too hard. So that is how you install a front bonnet protector. To be honest, it kind of looks a bit weird. It almost looks like that that like French girl with that big monobrow. I'll chuck a photo up. But the more you look at the car, the more it grows on you, I must say. The only reason my brother's got this on his car is because he's a tradie, so he works all over the place. He's on a lot of country roads and like roads with a lot of like rocks and stuff. And obviously if that comes up, you don't want to chip in your bonnet, so this protects you from that. And obviously being an R-Line and a very expensive car, you want to look after it. All right guys, now all we need to do is install those weather shields and then we are done. Let's get to it. All right, so for this mod, all you need is a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. You get these little clips that come with the package. So all you need to do is open your windows, slide them in, and then clip these little clips in. And we'll show you guys how to do that. It's very straightforward.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast.
Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. As you can see, a few small mods have made this car look a lot better than it did stock. This is my brother's Volkswagen Golf Wagon. It's an R-Line as well, so he's got a few mods lined up. He's actually already purchased some lowering springs for the Golf, which we'll be installing in the next video. However, he's got these stock rims which actually look really nice, but my brother also likes these 2 Enkeis. I'll chuck them up on the screen here below. And let us know in the comments if you guys prefer A, B, or the stock rims. After that, we've also got some performance mods that we want to do on the car, and yeah, my brother's got a lot of money, so he's gonna be doing some cool things with this car. If you guys like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
With my head not hard, I'm being chewed up, spit out, torn apart. But picking up all the pieces is a form of art.
I'm never gonna look back.